Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on Google Chrome on Windows 11 for productivity powerhouse. So we are let get started. Firstly, we are going to search bar and search Google Chrome. Here you will open the Google Chrome. Now you will select profile. Now we are going to open Chrome settings. Just scroll down there. You will see settings. You will go to performance tab and here you will see turn on memory saver and energy saver. Memory saver turn on and energy saver turn on. The next step is use Chrome profile for better organization. Now we are going to Chrome icon, profile icon, add Chrome profile. Here you will sign in to your Gmail account or continue without an account. So here you will type which tab you want it. Choose color, done. Now we will see the profile icon will be created here. The next is supercharge productivity with extensions. Now you are going to Chrome extensions. Simply click on profile icon. Simply click on three dots. Here you will see extensions. Visit Chrome Web Store. Extensions tab. You will add extension which you need. Example Grammarly for grammar, tab resize, one tab, which you want. The next is Chrome keyboard shortcut. Chrome have provided us shortcut for easy access. You can simply click on Ctrl plus T to open new tab, Ctrl plus tab to switch the tab, switch between tabs, Ctrl plus H to open history, Ctrl Shift A to search open tabs. Here you will see open tabs. The next is turn Chrome into a web app hub. Simply click on three dots. Here you will see, let example we are going to google.com. Now going to three dots. Here you will see, scroll down. Cast, save and share. You can save page as shortcut to your desktop or download page to easily access the next time same page. The next is sync everything across devices. Click on profile icon. Here you will see, click on three dots, go to personal. Here you will see turn on sync this option. When you enable this option, sync bookmark, password, extensions and history. Then and that's it. How you turn Chrome window how you turn Chrome on Windows 11 into ultimate productivity machine. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech related videos. Thanks for watching.